You can check and search whole over the YouTube. Nobody can explain like me. Everyone explain this like a critical quote, but I explain like a sleepy potato understood. Let's first a drawing triangle. So this is our A force, or you can call A vector, anything, whatever you want. And this is B vector. Look, here the direction is anti-clockwise of two given vector. You can also the draw clockwise. But remember, if the two sides of a triangle represented two vector A and B, and angle between two vector was tail to tail, not tail to tail, head to tail. This is the head of A, this is the tail of B. Let head tail, okay. So you have to watch head tail, and this is the R. The third close side represent the resultant, but in the opposite direction. Look, given vector is the anti-clockwise, but resultant is clockwise. Here the formula of resultant equal to, here are two formula, one formula with plus, one formula with minus. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta 2. Wait. If you increase the line a vector, at first I written cos theta 2. If you increase that line, okay, a vector, this is what? Let this is theta 2. Okay. Why I make this angle? Look, this is head. So now theta 2 is the tail to tail. Theta 2, where is theta 2? Tail to tail of both vector. If you take the angle tail to tail, then the formula will be plus. If you take the angle head to tail, that is theta 1, then the formula will become in minus. That is a square plus b square, not plus. Yes, here is minus, not plus. Theta 1. Which is not plus? This is not plus. This is minus. Okay. So you have to understand this approach. If you have to take the angle head to tail, then minus, and tail to tail, then plus. Okay. Let's denotate the point OAB. Now draw a perpendicular from the point B, which is intersect the increasing line of OA. Sorry, this is not V vector. This is OA. OA is B vector. I wrote this wrong position. This is B vector, okay, in the triangle. So now observe that small triangle. This is theta 2. This is theta 2 in the small circle. So let us first note down what is given. Given is OA. OA equal to A. Take only length. AB equal to B. Take only length. So if I ask you what is the value of BD, look that small triangle ABD. Okay. So this portion and this portion we have to must know this. Okay. Let this point, which is point, the intersecting point is D. Now question is that if I ask you what is the length of BD and what is the length of AD, can you find? If you can find, then drop your comment in my YouTube section. Anyways, in the small triangle theta 2 is the angle. If I ask you sine theta 2 equal to what? You can say easily perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is perpendicular BD. This is hypotenuse AB. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means BD by AB. AB AB. Okay, this is sine theta 2. Now BD is unknown term. BD is unknown, but AB is given, that is small b. Now you have to cross multiply, implies that BD equal to small b sine theta 2. Okay, I know in your book theta 2 is represented by only theta. Okay, but I trying to show you here the two angle theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, anyway, sine theta 2 equal to this approach, and you can find BD value, length of the BD. Now you have to find length of the AD. So you have to take cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 equal to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base is what? AD. Hypotenuse is what? AB. AB. AD by AB. AD is unknown term, but you know the value of AB. So you can written as cos theta 2 equal to AD divided by value of AB is what? Wait. Value of AB, this is AB. B vector, so length of the AB is small b. So finally we get AD equal to B cos theta 2. I think you understood till now. Here are no problem, easy peasy, no tension. Okay. So finally BD and AD now non-term, not unknown. Anyway, so what is the length of OD? You can say OD equal to two part, which is OA and AD. OA and AD. What is OA? A. What is AD? B cos theta 2. This is the length of OD. Anyway, finally OD equal to A plus B cos theta 2. So in the big triangle, what is the big triangle? OBD. Wait, I will show you, don't worry. This is the big triangle OBD. OBD, big triangle. You have to take big triangle here. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. I mean to say, use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, that is OB square. Base, that is OD square plus perpendicular square, that is BD square. Okay. Now what is OB? OB is obviously resultant, represented by capital R. So we can written as capital R square, because length of the OB is R. Wait, I will show you. What is OB? Look, R. Okay. I think you don't have any problem. Anyways, so we can written as R square equal to OD square. Where is OD? OD. Yes, this is. So A plus B cos theta 2 whole square. This is the total length of OD. Okay. Plus BD square. Where is BD? Where is BD? Where is BD? Wait, I will show everything, each and every term BD. BD is B sine theta 2. I never step jump. I do each and every line, each and every point. Okay. You can search whole YouTube. Nobody can explain like this. Anyway, now you have to simplify and calculate. R square equal to, this is x plus y whole square formula. R square equal to x plus y whole square formula, that is a square plus 2xy, that is 2 into a into y means b cos theta 2. Okay. Plus y square. Y square means b square cos square theta. B square cos square theta. Here theta 2. Anyway, anything. Plus b square sin square theta. B square sin square theta. Okay. Now, very interesting, b square. Okay. B square common. So R square equal to a square plus If you take b square common, what is remaining? Sin square plus cos square, which is 1. No need to write. Yes, b square into 1 equal to b square. But you have to write this part remaining, rest of the part 2ab cos theta 2. Why? You know the formula of trigonometry, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. You know that now? Please drop your comment if you don't know. Anyway, so r equal to under root of whole total part, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta 2. But remember here, theta 2 is the angle between tail to tail, not head to tail. But question is given head to tail. If the angle is given by head to tail, then the formula will be minus. Now I will show you. Here theta 1 plus theta 2 is a straight line, means 180 degree. Wait, now I show this formula minus and this is plus. Okay. So at first we have to know that theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 180 degree. That is, what is theta 2? Obviously 180 minus theta 1. Yes, done. Put the value of theta 2 in the proving result. Theta 2, put the value of theta 2 where r equal to this equation. Prove result. Okay. So r equal to, we can written as a square plus b square. Wait. Slowly. A square plus b square. Wait. Not right. At first you have to rough. Cos theta 2 equal to, theta 2 means what? You can say 180 minus theta 1. Theta 2 means what? 180 minus theta 1. Okay. 180 means 2 into 90, that is cos does not exchange into sin, cos remaining cos, but 180 minus, so this is minus quadrant. So cos theta 2 equal to minus cos theta 1. Instead you can replace. So if I replace, then minus will become minus 2ab cos theta 1. Proved. Okay. Now question says that angle between head to head or tail to head, anything, you can use both formula. Okay. Now we have to find the direction. Very important. Let the direction is alpha, means r vector makes alpha with x axis or a vector. Tan alpha equal to height by base, that is BD by OD. Note down or write down. Tan alpha equal to height by base. What is height? Height is BD. What is base? Base is OD. Wait, I write, just look. Pause the video and note down. Tan alpha equal to height, perpendicular, BD base equal to OD. Value of BD is what? Value of BD is, already we find at first BD. OD means, OD here two part, OA plus AD. You forgot this, I think. Wait, I will show you. OD. Where is OD? First this is height anyway. OD equal to two parts, OA plus AD. Okay, this part and this part. So you can write this, what? OD equal to OA plus AD. This is tan alpha. So alpha equal to tan going to right hand side. So that is tan inverse alpha equal to, what is the value of BD? What is the value of BD? Where this? BD equal to B sin theta 2. So note down B sin theta 2. You can that this derivation with theta, not theta 2. Whatever you want, anything. Okay. Anyways, proved. This is theta 2. Remember always. Anyways, thank you.